Ever wondered why ceiling fans always spin counterclockwise? It's not just a random choice. That's not just a coincidence. There's a reason behind it. It's not random. There's actually a very good reason behind it. When a ceiling fan spins anti-clockwise, especially when viewed from below, it pushes air downwards. This creates what's known as a wind chill effect, which helps make the room feel cooler than it actually is. Even though the fan doesn't lower the room temperature, the moving air speeds up the evaporation of sweat from your skin, making you feel cooler and more comfortable. That's why fans are so effective during hot summer months. Most ceiling fans are designed with blades tilted or angled in a way that maximizes this downward airflow when spinning anti-clockwise. This is the default direction for most fans, and it's ideal for cooling purposes. If you've ever stood directly under a fan on a hot day, you've probably felt that strong, refreshing breeze. That's the anti-clockwise motion doing its job. Interestingly, some ceiling fans come with a reversible motor, allowing them to spin clockwise during winter. In that mode, instead of pushing air down, the fan gently pulls cooler air up and forces the warmer air, which naturally rises, down along the walls. This helps keep the room warmer without the fan blowing directly on you. So, while we often take that spinning fan for granted, its direction plays a key role in comfort and energy efficiency. And anti-clockwise is the hero when it comes to beating the heat. So next time you feel that refreshing air, thank the counterclockwise spin. And remember, it's all about keeping you cool and comfortable.